Okay. So now you need to, already we got into a collection this list. So you need to compare this list of elements and the elements you stored already in the constant class. Here we stored that list. Can you see here list? Expected my account many options, menu options list, this one. So all these elements, you get this list and that list, both you compare. So again, you have to use assert equals only. Okay. So we need to use assert equals only. Let's compare. This one, and already in our pages, this my account page we have already. So verify my account options, verify my account list. So right, my account menu options test. Okay, this one here, right? Then do assertions just. So first we have to get my account page dot get. So what is that? Get my account menu options, right? Get my account. Yeah, this one. Menu option list. So then constants. So expected my account menu options. So that is the, so the 1 minute. Okay, so after that, Next, so another one. So next, what is the in this my account page? What we have? This is done. Next, my account header list. So, but what we stored here, another collection, my account header list, same, right? So you can process the same kind of test case. So test case 5, verify my account header option list. Header list. So verify my account. By my account header test. The test. Same way you can do here also, similar. So no change. But this one we will change, get my account. My account header, my account header list, this one. And here expected my account. So header list. So that's easy way. So you can get and compare them. Basically, same values are there or not, we need to check. Next. So next test case. You can check all these links also, right? You can check all these links. This page links are working or not, right? We can verify all these links are working or not. Whether any broken links are present or not, you can check it. Okay. So how to check a broken links? We already have one method, right? So that method you can use it here. Next test case. So verify the broken links in my account page. So broken links test. Account page. So write this some simple statement. So we know already. So you need to get all the links, right? All the links you need to get first. And then, so how can we do that? Just to clear all these things. So first get all the links. How can you get list web element So my account is links list equal to, so my account list you import from java.util. Web element also import from org.openk.cdn package. So then we have a direct, right? How can you fetch all the links in the web page?
Get attribute.
Get
Attribute.
links are not attributes, right?
Okay.
Okay, so driver dot find elements. So by dot tag name a tag. Find elements. So find elements only will return a list, right? See, when I write a find element, it was throwing error. Find elements you have to use. Then you need to get a exact link URL, right? Then only you can call the verify links method, right? Verify URLs method. So how can you get each link URL? So this is the collection. In this collection, you have all the URLs, all the links, not URLs, all the links. Now how to extract each link URL? Use for each loop or for loop. Okay. So for web element. So the element name, right? Link colon the collection name. The collection name is one. And then extract. How can you get each link URL? Link URL equal to this element dot. Now you told, right? Get attribute of which attribute? So the links is so going to have the link URL href. So links are going to have href. Href inside only you have the link URL. Then you call verify URLs method. That is the verify URLs method. Can you see here? This one. Then pass this link URL. That's it. So verify URLs, add throws declaration. After that, so you have to again here it will open. Basically, it will open all the links, right? But we don't need. So let's see. So maybe again a state character is required. I'm just seeing that possibilities, but we don't need. So these are all just getting the URL and doing that. That's why we don't need that. Next. So next test case, we'll perform the product search. We'll perform the product search. So that one only, right? But this one you can, if you want, you can just again add them in the so header menu list or this one. All these things, these two, you need to add them in the collection constants class. So like this you add all of them expected and actually you can compare. So the again comparison you can do that. You can take up that. So then I will go for the next one. So I want to perform the product search. Let's do the product search. Perform the product search. Confirm product search. Perform product search. So if you want to perform product search, so you need to call the method, right? This method. It has a do product search method. So this method returns a result space object. So I think we have already in the result space object we need to create here. So let's go and create a result space object here. So result space object here. So space object. This one. Including. Space. So private. That's it. Okay. So result space, because this method is returning result space. You can observe that. If you go to there, this method is returning a result space object. So that object you have to assign. So let's do that. So perform product search. Perform product search. So then immediately this object, result space object, is returning by that method. Let me show you that. First, call the method. Okay, call the method. What is the method? Account page dot. So product search, do product search. See, this method is returning a result space object. So this is the return type of this method. And you have to give a product name also. So this we need to take a parameter, string product name. So this product name we need to pass. Maybe you can pass from the data provider. We'll pass from the data provider. Okay. So I'll take a so data provider also string product name. I'll use. So this product name I'll pass it here. But from where you need to get is you have to have some source, either from Excel sheet or from this data provider, somewhere you store it, right? Somewhere you store it. So now this method is returning result space. Is it noisy for you guys? I'll just close the door. Okay. Yeah. So this function is returning result space object. Now, so you can just verify that result space, maybe title if you want, you can verify. So you can verify the page title and you can set that also if you want. We'll do, I want to do something differently here, because when you do, it will go to that page and I will wait some time. Okay, I'll wait. Then I'll get the page title. So you get the results page title. Maybe we can do assertion also. So let's do assertion. So I want to use here soft asset. So let me use a soft asset, okay, instead of hard asset. Verify results page title. Okay, results page title. Search results page title. So soft asset I want to use. New soft asset. So new soft asset class. So this is the constructor, right? Object creation for the soft asset. This is the r.testng.asset. So we haven't used our, I think one of the program I have used, I'm not sure whether you remember or not. Asset equals. And so you can get the page title like a results page dot get title. Sorry, where it went. Results page dot get title. And you can give, so see that how I'm framing this is a very important here. So if you observe here, so this is my account, right? Just perform the search. Click on this start again. Now what is happening here? Search hyphen whatever the product name you are giving, that product name is coming here. So that you should not hard code. So what you need to do, here we have a product name, right? Here you have a product name. This product name you have to give it here. So copy the same thing. I'll tell you how to do that. Let me show you that. So copy the title from head tag. This one, right? As it is you copy. As it is you copy, and we'll parameterize that. So in double quotes, this one. Then this is the one that is directly going to change. But this is the static. So this part, you remove that. Then plus append for this string and this string, the product name. So automatically the title will be going to come. Whatever the product name you give, so that title will come there. So that you don't need to struggle. So that's how a dynamic titles you can validate. So then you can put one more assertion when you get here. So the asset true, maybe same new soft asset you can use. Then soft asset data asset equal, then asset true also you can use. So let me show you how to use this twice. Okay, because if I want to use, I need to create object. Okay, so soft asset SA equal to this one, right? So instead of that, so I need to use one more time. That's why I'm making a reference of object. This reference object I'm giving a reference variable. If you're only one line only you can write. So I'm going to use here also one more place. What is that? I want to asset true. I want to asset saying that the search results page, the count should be greater than 0. Right? This count at least greater than 0. It should not be 0. The product name, whatever you are giving. So that you can validate even. So you're getting this product list also. You can validate that also if you want. Or that just give greater than 0. You get the product list. That should be greater than 0. That we can tell that. So results page get search product size, which is greater than 0. This will produce a Boolean value, right? Greater than 0 means it will produce a Boolean value. So this is going to give a Boolean value, and this is already Boolean value. So then you can do SA dot asset all. There is a asset all. So that's how to use a soft asset. Are you clear? Like this you can use if you want to make all the methods, make it a global. This one, this object reference. But I used only in this method. And after all my assertions, I'm putting asset all. So what is this soft asset is, even this fails here also, it will continue to the next line. Generally, hard asset never continue. That's the difference between soft asset and hard asset. And then it will validate, all the assertions will be validated by this last asset all, mandatory. This last asset all is mandatory. So, okay, so that's the how to use a soft asset. Are you clear? Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So let's add this data provider. Through data provider, we'll supply these product names. Okay. So I'll supply product names. Let's supply that. So at the rate data provider. At the rate data provider. If you want, you can give a data provider name. So you know, right? Already public. So object two-dimensional array. Object two-dimensional array. Product test data. So we can create a two-dimensional object and return. Otherwise, I'll write it directly. So return. See that I want to write it differently. New object. So write a new object, two-dimensional array. Then you store all your products here. You store all your products here. So what are the products? One by one product you can give. Each product you can keep in one curly bracket. How many you want to give, you can give that. Okay. So I'll give here one by one product. Because only one column, one row. But rows are increasing, but column is one only. Because here, the column count I already told you. How many parameters are there in the test method? The same is column count here. So here I can give MacBook. Then second one is iMac. Third one is Samsung. Okay. So like this, 3 products we can search. So these 3 are available there. So that's why I have given these 3. And now what will happen every time this method execution time, first this product will take and perform the search. And again, next method, it will take and perform the search. So this is how you can see that. And I think we have to go back. So once a search is done, you have to go back to the My Account. The results page, we have a My Account. Navigate to My Account again. My Account. Navigate to My Account page, right? Maybe you can write this one, okay? So I'll write this. Results page. Dot result. Okay, that's what object dot this method. I can wait some more time here. Account page every time. Okay. So that's the one test case. So these are all only test cases, not more than that here, right? That's the search. My account page search test. So after that, log out only. So you can log out. So this logout method already there for us. You can use the same method, right? So complete logout. So that's all the test cases. Now, let's run these test cases. We'll see one by one. This is not required. Just remove that. Whatever the annotation, this extra import statements you don't need, remove them. Why you don't need to remove is so because for loading them it will take some time again. So if it is not necessary, also if you include the import statements, that will load them. So that also occupies some time. Even milliseconds also, it's we don't want waste. That's why. Okay. So let's include this class and run the test case. So where is our testng.xml? Here dot open cart dot test case dot. That's it. So let's trigger this. I think it will end the session quickly. Okay, still we have 2 minutes. We can finish that. My account page. You have to carefully watch my account page. Sometimes it gives a problem. A login page test is going on. So logging in and here we need to find out where this escape character. Somewhere it is opening. I think so. We need to use the escape character somewhere. We need to find out. It will definitely will fail next test case. We need to see that in the logs. See that it's not going right. So that is going to hide other elements. So you will get element not interactable exception. You will get a element not interactable exception. Yeah, I think it is taken care, but let's see. So if not failing, we're good. So but failed, you can see one test case failed. So that we need to see which test case is that. Perform testng